Hi. So this couple, they came to us with married life of 6 years, and they had a ectopic pregnancy, which was happened 4 years before, and the tube was removed on the right side. The husband parameters were actinoteratospermia, which means the motility and morphology of the sperm was little poor, and it is based on his parameters, he is not indicated for the IVF procedure. But from the wife's side, she had a severe polycystic ovarian syndrome, and because of that, and the couples are becoming crossing 35, then we had planned for this IVF procedure, and the procedure was done, and good embryos were formed. Around 6 embryos were formed, and 2 blasts were transferred in the first embryo transfer. So in this video, you can see how the embryo transfer is done, and this is one of the best blasts we had got for him. So we had taken this. So we hope to get the best result for them. Thank you.